Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to move a ClickUp space to another workspace. And let's be clear for this, because first of all, we definitely created a space. So let's do the team space right here. And then we go to project 2, for example. And let's say we want to use this space right here at maybe something there. Then what we're going to do is we save this space right here, or this project 2, as a template. So let's do that real quick. So we do 3 dots, templates, and then we do right here save as template. Then we call this one template 1, select right here everyone, and then we do public sharing. So that's very important. Then we do right here save template. And then right now when we're going to something else, so let's go maybe to a place like this, and we do the plus icon right here, and we call this, let's do move test, and we do right here continue, and we do create space, there we go, move test. And then if he wants to implement right here the space that we had, we go right here to templates, and then we do apply a template. Then right now we just created ourselves a template. So let's do workspace template, and we select right here template 1 that we just created. So we select this one, and then right now if you do use template and do use template, we can use our space right here that we just created. So this is the best way how you can do it, and hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.